If your mobile data is not working on your Android phone, here's a quick guide to fix it step by step. So first of all, you have to turn on your airplane mode, and for that you have to swipe down and search for airplane mode in your quick access items. You can turn it on and wait for 10 seconds and then turn it off. This refreshes your network connection, so if it's still not working, then you can go check mobile data. Make sure mobile data is turned on, and for that you can go to settings and then network and internet and then mobile network. You have to toggle mobile data off and on again, so make sure it's working. And if it's still not working, you can simply restart your phone to fix any temporary glitches. And if it's still not working, you can check mobile data limit setting, and for that you have to go to settings and network and internet and then into data usage. Make sure you haven't hit a data limit or turned on data saver. And if any of the other things is not working and your mobile data is still not working, then you can contact your mobile carrier. Then you can reinsert your SIM card. For that you have to take out your SIM card, clean it gently and put it back properly. And after that, if it's still not working, then you have to contact your mobile carrier. There might be an issue on their end. So if this helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and tap on the bell icon for more helpful tech fixes. See you in the next one.